Okay. Next, again, real easy. I'm going to go cross, hook, cross. Cross, hook, cross, 2, hook, cross, hook. Now, as I do this technique, I'm doing two things. I'm thinking about two things. Thing number one is keeping my hands up as I'm punching in. I don't want to drop my guard just because my hands are going out. Try to keep your hands up next to your face. As I punch out, my backhand stays up. My lead shoulder, or my punching shoulder, is going to come up next to my face. Or cross, watch me from the front, cross, hook, cross. Or hook, cross, hook. So, cross, hook, cross, and then he'll go cross, hook, cross. And then I'll go cross, hook, cross. And then we'll go hook, cross, hook. And he'll go cross, hook. As you do this, get on the balls of your feet, move around a little bit. Don't just stand in your spot and go. And then he goes. Move. Be a little bit more dynamic. All right, let's try that.